We're doing it on Omega. That took like almost 5 minutes. Yes! I'll go first. Back for another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! This is not a good hand. Tenendo. Caro Seto. There we go. There was also another update, and now my opponent doesn't have the same sleeves as me. That's cool. Jeez, he's got 2. Do I do 1 or 2? Let's try 2. This is crazy right here. Yeah, let's do 2. Banishing 2 Ben 10s. We get an orange and a purple. I really like that they added this here. That's cool. Oh, reasoning. One. Ah. Light Sworn, what is this? What is this? Oh god. Saryuja. I'm gonna orange light Saryuja. I thought this was the log. Oh, he's gonna reborn him back. Dang it! Oh wait, no. Can you activate Raiden's effect again? No. With 4 Boral counters. Oh, look at that, it shows you the counters there, that's cool. Come on, attack. Ah. It's gonna negate. Okay. What is this, Dragon Link? Cosmic Cyclone, pay 1,000. Target banish. It's gonna have to Savage. And then I'm hoping for a miracle with Upstart Goblin. But oh, he still has the counters. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's over now. Or is it? That was a 1 per turn. We'll get him back. Activate Cyber Emergency. Let me get Alpha. Come on, Heart of the Cards. Guide me! Fuck. 2 alphas? What the fuck is this? Oh, I could still pull it off here. I got 2 Evas. Yeah, I can still do it. Alpha. Tribute Alpha. Special summon. Wait, no, I can't do it. I can't do it. Huh? I can't do it. I thought I was gonna get another Eva there, but no, I can't do that, dude. I should have went for Natasha. God dang it! I should have went for Natasha. But I can't take his monster though. With Relinquished. And then activate its effect. Target and get over here. Could just crash right here. Battle. Crash. A little bit delayed on the attack there. Can't do nothing, so turn endo. Holy crap. Oh, he has 2 cards. All I need is 1. Oh, come on, Doro! From the Grave, Alpha. Attributing the last Ben 10. Special summon, activate effect. Ah, shit. Natasha. Ben 10. It's gonna add me. Oh, that is yours. Yep, that is ruler. Then what am I gonna do? Link it out for Link Karibo. And Foolish Burial. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. I thought it was done. I thought it was done. Oh wait, I can just go like this actually. Right click and then right click. Boom. I read the forum. And just right click, right click. Start it. Actually, no, I want to click this. That's good. Round 2. Dude! Oh wow. What did he do? He made me go first. Tough. Alpha. What is taking so long? Did he freeze? It's giving it a hard think. Oh, he's running a 60 card. If he loses, all good. If he times out. They're gonna change and attach it to gold rare. I have Zeus as gold rare. Secret. I got him as prismatic. 1 minute. Minute to win it. That's cool. Oh. 25 seconds. He's done. It's over. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2. Let's do wins from timeout. Flawless victory. Perfect. Oh, I'm back to silver. I am back to silver. Awesome. I was 1143. Now I'm 1155. Nice. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.